What's up, all of my craft guys and gals? It is your girl. I'm about to knock my horse canvas off the wall. Stay. Your girl is back with another craft tip for you. If you're a mom and you got little girls and they love beauty bags, a great place to get beauty bags for $1 is at your local Dollar Tree. I love the Dollar Tree because they have some amazing products. Now, ladies, you have to look for them. Now, if you are a girl and you're like, oh, I hate the Dollar Tree, they are just known for some of the most cheapest quality items. Girl, you gotta look around. The Dollar Tree has a lot of brands that they normally have. Come on, it's the Dollar Tree. They have their specific, I would like to say, house brands. And these are the brands that they normally stock their shelves with. You don't want to look for those items. You want to look for the quality items that you don't always see in the Dollar Tree. And I love beauty bags and cosmetic bags. And if you got a teenager or a girl and she loves beauty, DIY beauty bags is an amazing craft for you to do at a birthday party or a holiday party. It would keep the girls busy. Think about Sweet 16. The girls can come in, they can pick their own beauty bag off of the beauty bar, and they can pick some amazing stickers to create their own beauty bag. Now, this beauty bag should not even be in here, but since it's in here, I'm going to share this with you. Look at this gorgeous beauty bag. I got this from my local bargain hunt, and this beauty bag was $3, guys, and it is by Ruby and Clash. Look at how gorgeous this beauty bag is. Now, when I saw these beauty bags at my local bargain hunt for $3, guys, I stocked up. I think I got about 7 or 8 of these bags because I know that I will be using them throughout the year. And I do have a daughter, she's 13, and we love cute beauty bags. Bargain Hunt is another great store to look for amazing beauty bags, cosmetic items, and dollar items. But that one was not supposed to be in here. Let me show you some amazing Dollar Tree beauty bags. Look at these cute little velvety beauty bags at your local Dollar Tree. They come in or suede. They're suede like, and they feel so good. It's really good quality. $1, guys. I love these bags. These are lined with plastic. They are so cute. They have the black and the tan, and then they have the pink and the tan. I could see you as a craft mom. You can go through and you can write all of the girls' names on the bag. Imagine how gorgeous that would be if you took some puffy paint or some glitter paint and wrote all of the girls' names on the bag who were attending the party, and stuffed them with some cute eyeshadows, lip glosses, and beauty products in the inside, and put it in a cute cello bag, and this would be their party favors. They would be so cute. So these are one of the Dollar Tree beauty bags that I like. Oh my goodness, I love these. Now, these are much better quality, and these are not by the same brand. These are different. Oh my goodness, they are so cute. Look at the cute colors on this, the amazing detail to these bags. These would be great for teen party favors. And look at the back, guys. It's a blank canvas. So you can take this, and Dollar Tree has some amazing, look at the Crafters Square Jewel Gem Starburst stickers. The girls could take these stickers and they could create their own custom one-of-a-kind beauty bag. Crafters Square also have some amazing gems. These come in different colors. Look at the beautiful 216 count Crafter Square pearl stickers. I love these. Some more. Oh, they even come in red. They are gorgeous, so cute. And where else are you gonna find 216 stickers at? Nowhere but the Dollar Tree, girl. This is the Craft Square collection. I also love these cute little jot paper stickers, the paper flowers. These would be cute as well. I think these would look really cute on these bags, more for girls 10 and under to create their own beautiful let's see, mermaid bags or fairy bags. These would be pretty cute. They also have, I love the Crafters Square sticker collection. If you have not seen my video of my Crafters Square sticker collection, I'm gonna link it down below or find it on my page for some amazing Crafters Square stickers. These are just gorgeous. You get 8 pieces of pop-up stickers for $1. And these girls can take these stickers, put them on their beauty bag, decorate the back however they like. Look at those amazing pop-up stickers. I love these. How adorable are and some of them come in 8-piece, 7-piece, and 10-piece. And sometimes you can even get 12-piece pop-up stickers. They have some more amazing designs. I'm going to link my sticker collection down below to show you some more of those, guys. $1 at your local Dollar Tree. Do not get these off of eBay because people are busting heads for these, okay? That means, girl, that they are charging $7, $8, $9 for a pack of stickers. So these are some gorgeous $1 beauty bags right here. The Love and the Heart collection. Oh, look at the cute glitter stickers. Oh, the nature. These would be great for fairy designs, DIY custom beauty bags. I love these. What else do we have? Oh my goodness. These are, and I actually started doing a DIY beauty bag on this one. So I took some of the craft stickers and I just made a border right around there. Look at this gorgeous iridescent beauty bag, $1. This one says, I can have it all. This one says, I decide my vibe. It is so cute. Imagine if the girls took the stickers and just created their own custom bag. I love these bags. They are so beautiful and the quality is on point, guys. And for $1, what I like about this one is it is like lined with a fleece liner in this bag that just, oh my goodness, they took it up a notch with that one for $1. So I stocked up and I got a couple of those. Oh, look at this cute one. I was starting to do a DIY unicorn themed on this beauty bag. Everything I need. Look at the cute unicorn stickers on this bag. This is something that you could do as your next craft at your the next birthday party, like I said, or just for girls' day. Like if you're having a play date, invite the mom and the daughters over. Y'all can sit them in the next room and let them create their own beautiful cosmetic bags while y'all sip on wine and just have wife chat. That would be great. I love those bags. And here's some more in the dark pink of the pearl stickers for $1. Crafter Square at the Dollar Tree. I love Crafter Square craft items. Now, this is what I'm saying. I'm kind of actually glad I brought the Flawless bag out. These are beautiful Maybelline beauty bags. Do you see the tag that says $1.50? Girl, I did not pay $1.50 for this bag. These bags were at my local bargain hunt, guys, for 90% off. Yes, I paid 15 cents each for these beautiful silver and white cosmetic beauty bags by Essie, a Maybelline brand, honey. 15-cent beauty bags. So if you're looking for great items, you got to get on into that bargain hunt. A lot of the times they mark their yellow tag items that's been sitting on the shelf for a while. They mark those down. You get to take an extra 50% off, 75% off, or even 90% off of that yellow tag. So I got these beautiful cosmetic bags by Maybelline, guys. 15 cent. Look at the beautiful colorful pattern in the inside, and these are so thick, they feel so good, and they have these little slots on the back so they can actually hook this to something like a notebook or something. I really don't know what those are for, but they are so cute and gorgeous. Get into your local bargain hunt, get into your local Dollar Tree, find you some amazing $1 beauty bags for the girls and have them craft and create their own DIY beauty bags. It is your girl Bree. I love you guys. And if you got a teen or if you're a mom who loves beauty, I have a beauty page. And it is called Brenetta Madison Beauty. And I talk about beauty on a budget, honey. All of my items. I got some amazing videos, some amazing beauty products for $5 or less. I have some amazing $1 beauty products, honey, that you are going to want to look for at your local Dollar Tree. Y'all, save your money, get into the Dollar Tree, shop around and look for those quality beauty items. I'm gonna link that beauty page down below. Don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. It helps me out. And subscribe to my channel if you are a craft girl and you like what you see. You love to have fun on with me, okay, on this channel. I love to have fun with you. I'm talking all things craft. So get out to the Dollar Tree and get you some of these amazing $1 beauty bags.